So, you've made a video or two and you want to see how to upload them to YouTube and to how to share them with your class. For this video, I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to access YouTube and how to upload the files that you choose to send. So for this, I'm going to go to YouTube and I'm going to make sure that I'm logged in with my school account. I can tell that because in the upper right hand corner, I'll be able to see my account. And I've got me and I'm good to go. Now I have it puts some videos suggested on things that I've watched recently, and it also shows my subscriptions to other channels that I watch, and I can see some things that are going on. Now I'm not interested in that right now. What I really want to go to is over on the left here. I can go to my channel, and on your channel you can kind of make your channel page by adding in pictures and your face and whatever, and this is the area where we can start to put in our videos. I can go to the upper right hand corner and I'm going to push upload in order to put my very first video, and it says select files to upload. This is going to be wherever I saved my files before, or whether it's Google Drive or somewhere on my computer. I'm going to need to know where I put them in order to upload them. I save them typically in here, and I have my OBS Studio Basics file that I have not yet put in. So I'm just going to click and drag it from my video, and I'm going to make sure to name it, because if I don't, I'll totally forget. And you can see real quick, mine is uploading. Now I am wired into the network, which makes my uploading speed much faster than if I was connected through wireless. If I connect through wireless, it typically takes 3 or 4 minutes for it to go up to YouTube, which is typical in that sense. Occasionally it'll take even longer, and those are days when the internet's working a little slower, or a bunch of people are uploading or watching videos at the same time. I'm going to name it before I forget. Once I'm done with that, I can push publish, and as soon as it's finished processing and as soon as it's finished uploading, it'll be available on my channel to use, which is really cool. And let me just open up another tab and go back to my channel. And I can see that in my channel, it's going to show my recent uploads, and it's going to be in here really soon. And all I have to do is, just like sharing a regular video, I can take that video and I can send it to anyone that I'd like. A couple of interesting things though. Up here on the very top, you'll see that it says remove channel approval for sdccs.org. Once you have a Google Classroom, I was just talking to Ramon about this earlier. Once you have a Google Classroom and Ramon gives you privileges, you can go to any video on YouTube, basically. So if I go to CGP Grey, which is a person that I really like, he has a lot of good videos on different things. We'll do 5 historical misconceptions rundown. And, oh, this is watchable, so I guess that one is a poor example. Let me find one that might not be. Extra credits probably is, and this is a gaming one about how to make video games.
All right, so
oh, again, it's approved. Well, basically, in that point, you can approve videos or unapprove them, so that students can actually get to your channel at school, because students can't just watch any YouTube video at school. They can only watch videos from things that are approved on our domain, which is sdccs.org. So once you have your channel, you're going to need to approve it or get somebody that has the privileges to do that, to approve it. And then you can start sharing your videos. And if I wanted to, I can share them through email, I could share them through Google Classroom, I could share them through whatever topic or whatever classroom sharing site I typically use. I even have some, this is a Khan Academy introduction, and I sent this out to my parents so that they have a little bit of an idea of what to do. Now there's a lot more stuff you can do. I've started trying to do some streaming with YouTube, working on channel things, trying to get as many subscribers as I can, and it's really enjoyable, and it's a really good way to connect with students. I hope that this gives you an idea for how to do it, and I hope that you can explore and find some new things that I don't know about.